Hey, welcome to Arm Wraps. My name is Randy Miller. What you're seeing right here is actually a wrap that wraps on a deep freezer. So if you want to make your deep freezer look like an old wooden crate, you can. That was the front part. This is actually the top part right here, and this is actually the two sides right here. We print it out on air release vinyl matte sheen. We all put markers on there for you guys, and also we give you a free squeegee and knife. And also what we do is, where is it at? We put little installing marks or strips right there. So when you're installing it, you just remove that part and then you put it on where it needs to be, tack it on, then you install it. Easier for you guys to install and everything. So if you go to armwraps.com website, you can go to appliance wraps and go to chest freezers. You can see this product right here. All right, thank you. Talk to you soon.